Gender inequality. The social issue, known as a gender equality, occurs when people are not treated equally based only on their gender. One possible explanation of this imbalance in sexism or gender discrimination. Gender inequality has become an ongoing issue in today's society. These issues began in early history and has grown over time. In early days, it simply began as women not being able to vote or not being able to work. This has improved over time, and now when women have gained those rights, but there are still inequalities to today's society between gender.
The cause of gender inequality. Gender equality has multi causes, often rooted in historical, social, economic, and cultural factors. Some key contribution includes historical and cultural norms, economic disparities, educational barriers, discriminatory law of policies, gender-based violence, and it's important to note that these factors often interact and reinforce each other, creating a complex web of causes for gender inequality. Efforts to address these issues require a multifaceted approach that addresses social, economic, cultural, and institution aspects.
Solution of gender inequality. How can we stop gender inequality? Here are some of the key ways to end discrimination. Number one, ensure equal access to education. There's been significant progress in educational equality, but gaps remain. According to the Global Gender Gap report in 2020, 88% of females had primary education compared to 91% of males. This is good news, but as the report also says, there quality variation based on factor like income and ethnicity. Solution of gender inequality. Number two, empower women in the workplace. Supporting more women in senior roles and reviewing salaries. It should also be remembered that the COVID-19 pandemic had a big effect on workplace gender inequality. More women than men left their jobs, often because women tend to do more childcare. Number three, strengthen legal protection. Gender discrimination can be deadly in that it often leads to sexual harassment and assault. Domestic violence is especially pervasive that who estimate that one-third of women between 15 to 49 years old have been the victim in a relationship with physical and or sexual violence.
Number 4. Provide better medical care overall. Women receive poorer medical care than men. There are many reasons, such as the fact that more women live in poverty and therefore can't afford better healthcare. Medical professionals can have gender bias and there are gender gaps in medical research. Number 5. Support women's leadership at both the national and the community level. Women's representation and leadership appear to drive better environmental outcomes. Countries with higher percentage of women in parliament tend to adopt strictly climate change policies, resulting in lower emissions. At the local level, women's participation in managing natural resources leads to more equitable and inclusive resources governance and better conservation outcomes. And when community climate programs fully include women, they tend to be more effective and efficient in their resources.